Good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to jump on here for a second and do my first math video. Right now in our class, we are doing place value, and we have started adding tens to a whole number. So, for example, you might see a problem like this. So, when we draw numbers in my class, when they're larger numbers, we draw tens like this. So this would be 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So they would represent 27 like this. Well, 40 doesn't have any ones. So I know that I can represent 40 using only tens. The reason we start adding large numbers with just tens is because I don't have to worry about anything with regrouping or anything like that. I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 7 ones makes 67. You can do the same thing with subtraction. For example, excuse my messy, but I'm kind of in a hurry. 82 minus 30. I would draw 82 using tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. This time I need to take away 30. Well, I know to take away 30, I really only need to take away 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see what I'm left with. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. You can also use tens and ones when you are comparing, like the number 41 and 14. This is a great example for first grade because they switch their numbers so often. Well, when we start comparing two numbers, we want to start with our tens, because if one number has more tens than the other, it's always going to be bigger. So 4 tens compared to 1 10 is obviously going to be larger, and if you have a student that can't see that, drawing the picture helps. So I can draw 41 and I can draw 14. I wish that we taught tens and ones earlier in the year because I think it's really helpful for students that tend to switch their numbers around. Because once they understand this, I can say, okay, draw that number. Is that really the number you meant to draw or meant to write? And I think it's extremely helpful. So as a parent, I can imagine that being able to illustrate their numbers like this would be helpful, especially if your kid tends to write things backwards. So I hope this is helpful with your tens and ones. Shortly, we will be beginning adding ones to a larger number, and I will show you another video about that, but it works similarly. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if I can do anything to help you.